Hey Dust Bunnies, prepare to tremble. It's your friendly neighborhood cleaning crusader Review Palace, here with a bombshell of a video. We're talking the 5 hottest budget robot vacuums that'll sweep your floors and your wallet off their feet in 2024. Forget those high-priced robo-butlers. We're diving into the world of AliExpress steals that'll clean like a champ without breaking the bank. So buckle up, because we're about to unleash a tidal wave of cleaning power, all under a budget you wouldn't believe. Links in the description, let's go. You kick back, crumbs scattered like fallen soldiers, and bam, Imoo glides in, a silver knight in shining armor. This robo-friend sucks up grime like a black hole. It's 2700 pay chomper, leaving no dust bunny alive. But the real magic? It empties itself. Insert image of Imoo self-emptying dustbin, banishing dustbins forever. Imagine weeks of spotless floors without even touching a bag. Plus, this sleek warrior tackles carpets and hard floors with equal gusto. Is Imoo the ultimate cleaning MVP? Forget messy maps and missed corners. Abear's got this. Its laser eyes scan your lair. Insert image of Abear's laser navigation system, creating a battle plan that conquers every inch. Need a clean haven in the bedroom? Abear zones in, blasting away dirt while leaving the cat bowl untouched. Insert image of ABIR cleaning a specific zone. Got multiple floors? No sweat. This multi-story master navigates like a pro, keeping every level sparkling. Insert image of ABIR cleaning multiple floors. Sure, its suction might not be quite as monstrous as Imoo's, but its smart cleaning tactics and restricted area settings might just win the day. This sleek silver warrior throws punches like a champ. Its 5000 PA cyclone suction is a hurricane for dirt and dust, leaving no crumb unslain. No need to sweat battery life. It cleans for hours, then returns to its base for a recharge, ready to resume the battle. And it's not just brute force. Xiaomi's smart app control lets you schedule cleaning plans, set no-go zones for your precious porcelain, and even monitor its cleaning progress from afar. Is Xiaomi the undisputed king of clean? Don't underestimate the newcomer. Mi packs a punch with its 4000 PA suction that tackles debris without breaking a sweat. But its secret weapon is versatility. This nimble warrior dances across carpets and hard floors with ease, transitioning seamlessly to wet mopping for a sparkling finish. No tangled mess. Its automatic recharge keeps it in the fight, and its breakpoint cleaning feature remembers where it left off, ensuring every inch gets covered. Can Mi dethrone the reigning champion? Imagine this. You wake up to floors as smooth as a baby's bottom, not a single rogue crumb in sight. Honiture G20 Pro makes that fantasy a reality. Its hurricane-level suction rips through dirt, dust, and pet hair like a champ, leaving your carpets and hard floors spotless. And it's not just power-hungry. This robot whiz self-charges when needed, ensuring it's always ready to battle the grime. But is there more to Honiture than just brute force? So there you have it, folks. 5 cleaning champions for the price of a fancy latte. Now go forth and conquer your dirty dungeons, unleash your inner robot whisperer, and remember, a clean floor is a floor that hasn't met my socks yet. But seriously, thanks for joining the Review Palace Cleaning Crusade. We'll be back with more budget-friendly awesomeness soon. Until then, stay sparkling.